Good afternoon, everybody. We're in Fairhaven, and right behind me is the town hall. So we're going to cover 4 or 5 blocks. This area is showing historical sites here, as well as a few homes that looks really pretty old and historical as well. So join us as we take a look in Fairhaven downtown.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
So we are on Walnut Street right now, and this, I believe, is the main downtown building.
Flag is flying.
Yeah, and the flag flying. So this is looking at the side of it, and we're going to look towards the front of it. Now across the street, I gotta wait till I get to the shade more, because the sunlight's going to blur everything out. This is Fairhaven's library right here. And these buildings are pretty historical.
This is a beautiful building.
And it looks like there's a church right next to it. They still get the Christmas wreaths on, and poinsettias. You see Christmas wreaths in the top. A pretty big building. Oh, they're fake? Okay. Yeah, because they last longer outside. So we're going to check out this church over here, see what kind of church it is. I have no idea. There's other churches behind me as well, so we'll get to those. And I'm going to just walk down, like I said, 4 or 5 blocks around here and see what we can see. Okay, so this is the First Congregational Church. Just get a look around now. The white building that you see there is not a church. You know, it looks like it. It says a resident area when I was standing over there. So you can see the other church crossword right in the back here. We're going to check that one out as well. And this is the library, which is across from the town hall.
Did you get the date
So,
of the building, James?
No.
Right here, 1892. No, over here on the building.
1894. That's what it says.
It says 92.
92? Sign says 94.
Well, I don't know.
And on the building it says, huh, there's a big contrast to it. 1892.
May of 1892.
Yeah. So here's a map, and I'm going to try and get a closer on here.
So this is Center Street, huh? So Center Street built up all these places.
Yeah, it could be architectural beauty. So we're going to walk around. I may not be able to memorize this map, but hopefully there's signs mentioning what these buildings are. So here's the First Congregational Church. Looking at it from the front. Pretty nice day today. It's cold, but it's a nice day. So here's the library. And we're going to walk around over towards the other church. So this is the resident. It looks like a church looking at the top.
It was a church. You can tell
Yeah,
it was a church.
it was a church. I'll zoom in on the top.
That's something else. I don't know what that sign on the top is. That cross. That's a different cross. I don't know what that means. I don't know what religion that would be.
So it is a resident right now. And what we read the sign on the door. And across, I'm not sure. That might be the rectory for the church over there. The building in front of us. So we'll go take a look at it.
It says, "May peace prevail on earth."
Yeah, so that might be where the priest lives.
This is a sign like we saw up in Plymouth in the gardens. You know, we saw that up in Plymouth in the gardens.
Yeah, so yeah, it looks like Asian writing on it. They have different sides have different name.
Languages there now.
Yeah. So walking up the street. So walking over here, it's like somebody's driveway or something. But Fairhaven, bicentennial, 1812 to 2012. A proud past and a bright future.
Why was it over here?
I don't know.
Why were they?
So right on the corner, we have some place that's built out of stone.
Yeah.
Home.
Yeah.
You don't see that.
No hurricane's gonna bring it down.
Yeah.
No hurricane will bring it down. Another place with a cross?
Yeah, this might be a school in front of us. Again, it's got the architecture on the side, white paneling. I'll take a look in front of it, see what it says. Here's the other structure. I believe this is a school. And it's got a cross at the top.
I don't know. To me,
I can't even see my screen right now.
Looks more
Got
like
the sun behind
apartments
me.
or something.
Maybe it's the home for nuns or something, maybe? I don't know. I would guess it might be a school. So this was built in 1953.
That was a very good year.
Is this a fire hydrant? What is that? A gas thing?
In case it says anything else around the corner.
Yeah. So right in front of us is it's a big field.
I don't think it's big.
So there's a playground way in the distance.
I don't know what this building is.
Yeah,
It
so
doesn't tell you what it is.
then this might be a school right here. This one. Let's cross from this
It
one.
does not tell you what it is.
Well, maybe we have to walk all around. That's what we'll do. So this is the same building that's attached.
This style
Over
of
there.
building is more like a Swiss or English building or something.
Yeah,
English or
with that architecture. In fact, there's a home over there where the American flag is. It has two snowmen. It's kind of had the same architecture. And this we don't know.
That looks like a school.
Yeah.
That's an
Let's
old,
walk in
old
front of that one before we go down. Got like a fish and two snowmen there. Flag. So this is Lady Haven,
Ladies'
Diocese of
Haven.
Fall River.
The Ladies' Haven, and I'd heard about it. I didn't know where the location was.
Underneath it says that not all heroes wear capes. sign near the front, right over here. Yeah, so this is a place.
Hey, they
So
got the
this
same
is the
thing.
nursing home. You can see right here.
Nobody picks up the places.
So we're headed back towards the town hall right now. So this is another nursing home, Bedford Nursing Home. And it's right across from Our Lady of Haven.
Ladies Haven.
Yeah, so right over there, right in here.
During the years 1844 to 1869, when New Bedford was the whaling capital of the world, the 100-foot steeple of the First Congregational Church of Fairhaven served as a guiding landmark for whalemen returning home from their long voyages. While the top portion of the church steeple was blown down in a windstorm in 1869, this church still serves as a shining beacon of God to all who seek God's presence.
So we're walking down towards Main Street, which is the business area in Fairhaven.
Yeah, there's
So-
a little restaurant over here that we haven't been to that opened up after the other one closed.
Yeah, I
One
forget the name
closed,
of it.
another one open.
Oh, now I remember the name. It was Pumpernickel, remember?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know. Pumpernickel closed, and now it's what is it called themselves? I don't even know. Watch the ground.
I've seen that.
It's,
And
these
even
things
stuff.
are-
So
Oh,
business
it's called
area.
the Little Village Cafe. Look,
Yeah.
that's the new name.
Oh yeah, Little Village Cafe. It should be known as Pumpernickel. We went there for Mother's Day one time. And this looks like a gym. I see barbells over there.
Ooh, man, my hand's cold.
So there's the Wo-Mei restaurant, which we're going to pick up some food to go.
This place here is closed
And
today.
across the street from it is an American Legion. Yeah.
Sunday and Monday is closed.
Yeah, today's Martin Luther King Day, so it's a holiday.
This
Most
is
every
called
place
the
is closed right now.
Euro at Phoenix.
But I wanted to take the opportunity of this nice blue sky to film down here, showing the outside of the places.
Just gonna go inside and we're gonna.
Yeah.
I wanted to let the guys know that I'm picking up food, but this thing is messing up.
So there's a dough place, which I imagine is a bakery type thing. And something about play date on there. Then you also have the North East Maritime Institute, the yellow building. And right next to it is an American Legion, which you go right up in here, second floor.
You wanna go over here? Hey.
Yeah,
I don't.
and this is the restaurant.
Is this car running?
The post office is right, this building right here. The post office right next to the library. There's a library and there's the post office.